We're going to try and do this dent here that I've just showed you. There are a lot of different centipedes that you can use. Rigid ones, bendable ones, thick, thin, really rigid that you can't bend at all. But for this one, I will be using a really bendable one. Why is that? A little bit closer. That is to get into the center of the line. You see this whole body line is gone. I'm going to glue this one here on the line, but in the center of the hole. And if you film a little bit on top, come here. You see, I can follow the whole shape of the line or dent inside, and that's important to get that deepest point out there. There is almost no body tab that will do this. Allow you to follow this line, and if you pull it up, the K-beam, you can slide over, it's the same one, you see? And when you pull, you will be pulling the deepest part first, and pull all these different legs until the thing is straightened out. You see? We'll be pulling like this when the glue is set. It's really hot today, so I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer, but then we'll be able, as you will see in a minute, to straighten out this body line. If you're not able to go all the way with the normal, imagine if this dent was a little bit deeper, you will not be able to access with the grade adapter. That's why you have this half a size one. This will always go in the deepest part of the dent, you'll see? This will follow along, and then you'll be able to pull this one first. But if you have access with the big adapter, then go in, because it will allow you to pull it straight on, 10 centimeters, straight body line. You see this big crown here? That's one you want to get rid of when the tension is on the deepest part of the dent. This is what we have from a first pull.